Hi, I am Engineer Francisco Onde Jr. I teach mathematics here in JRTC. Not just mathematics, but that whole subject, mathematics, surveying, and transportation engineering. I've experienced once a classroom that is really not conducive to learning. As in, like, they accommodate too many students, so they're not really minding the space. Basta marami lang yung papasok, parang yan yung importante sa kanila. Sikip na parang yung sulatan, no, sobrang liit. I didn't like it talaga when I was there. But when I went here, Jersey, doon ko na-experience yung wow, sobrang ganda ng classroom. So conducive to learning, aside from magaling magturo si sir, maganda mag-present ng mga solution. Good for learning talaga, no, yung classroom namin. Yung kagandahan sa classroom setting is that we can show to them how it should be done from start to the end. No? Ito yung unang gawin, ito yung need ma-emphasize, ito yung need mong ma-check, ito yung pwede mong gawin right after this, right after that. Si Labangon, we have two classrooms. The smaller one can accommodate 120 students. The larger one can accommodate 220 students. We put two projector screen in third floor because it's a wide classroom. Convenient lang sa kanila. Sa amin kasi importante talaga to show to them mga presentation, different solution na pwede bilisan na lang. The other features that we have here in our review center is the study area. We open that area to students even up to 10 p.m. especially months before the board exam. Na full pack talaga yan dyan. There we maintain, of course, they are in order and hindi maingay para hindi makaabala sa ibang nag-aaral. I am Engineer Francisco Onde Jr. I am a Jersey engineer.